Okay, so now that we've done part one, now we've got part two, which is to add the script to our cannon. So if you find the cannon in the Explorer, right, in your Explorer here, locate the cannon that you just renamed, press the plus icon, and add a script. Okay, now this window will appear. Now the script I want you to put inside here is the following script, right? And I'm going to give a very, very brief explanation of the changes that you need to make. So the first one that you need to make is actually referencing our cannonball. So here, if I want to reference my cannonball, I need to put game.workspace and then put in whatever you've named your cannonball. So I called my second one Cannonball 2, if you remember. So I just change this to Cannonball 2. And then that's it. Now the cannon should technically work. Okay? Should technically work. I'll show you in a second what changes we need to make after this, and what the default values maybe should be. But for now, the cannonball works. And the second thing that we need to do is add the script to our cannon. Now, the script that we add to our cannon is the ragdoll script. So again, let's find out, the cannonball, sorry. So we'll find our cannonball, we'll press the plus icon on the cannonball, we'll add a script, and this is the script that we add. Now, all this script does is when it touches a player, right, here, if it touches a humanoid, that's what this line means, then we're going to turn the platform stand property of the humanoid to true, which essentially freezes them in place. After 3 seconds, we turn the platform stand to false, which then unfreezes them so they can move again. Now, again, you can change this about. You can increase this number to, let's say, 10 to make them wait for 10 seconds, or you can decrease it to 1. Or I've seen it with some students where they just take away the false completely. So the person has to reset their character. It depends on how you want to make your game. All right, but for now, we'll just leave it as it is with 3. Okay. So now if I run my game, so if I go to test and then run, we should see a working cannon. And then how well it works is still to be determined. Okay. So one last thing that I forgot to do, which is anchor the cannon itself. So if I select this model again, select cannon, press anchor, now it's not going to move. It's going to be anchored into place. Again, now if I run, as you can see, so there's at least one issue with the cannon and the way the cannonball's spawning. So I'm going to go and explain how the cannonball script works now. I'll do that in a third video. Okay, so this is just adding the